Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This PURA Premium Grade Rosehip Oil. It's a must on my daily beauty routine. The vitamins in it helps my skin stay radiant and fresh. I love to use it during the night, so I wake up with the most refreshed face. And I love the fact that I can use it also in my hands. They get super dry, so whenever I apply this oil, it helps me to keep them moisturized. But also my hair. My hair gets super shiny and healthy looking whenever I apply it. One of my favorite things to do with this rosehip oil is to take off all my makeup. It takes everything off, even my waterproof mascara. I love that it's super lightweight, so it doesn't leave any residue behind. It doesn't feel thick. I love that. And the best part is that my eyes don't feel that they get irritated whenever I'm applying this Pura Rosehip oil. And that's my point of view.